Hey, bros! Welcome to Frat Field!
You guys are pretty close to college, you know what that means? You're obviously going to be in a frat.
So here we are to teach you how to be the best!
Hey guys, my name's Elliot. This is my lacrosse stick, Stacy. I'm really good at all sports, but babes love lax bros. So I'm here to teach you how to be the perfect lax bro. Luckily, my good bro Corey is...
Hey, bros!
He's here to help us combine our talents to get the maximum amount of babes. In order to be a true lax bro, you have to bring your lax stick everywhere. Want a bite? Okay. Hey girl, can I get your number? No. But I play lacrosse. Then yes.
Hey bros, I'm Corey. I'm a senior at Frat Field, and I'm going to teach you how to pick up chicks. Some people say, hey Corey, when did you become such a lady killer? And I say, I was born this way, but I try to teach the bros here as much as I can. Step number 1, have a dog. Step number 2, have a sick ride.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me right.
Step number 3, have some dope pickup lines. You guys from Tennessee, because you're the only 10. Hi, see you later. Step number 4, babes love babies.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute. How old is she?
84 months.
I'm 7.
This is my dog.
Oh.
I call her Becca.
Did you really just ask me that? Yeah, I work out. I go to the gym 9 times a week. That's how I get so yoked. But you people are wondering, wait, there's only 7 days a week? But look at this. I go so much, every time I go, I get swollen. I'm allergic to it. But it's called dedication.
Bros, my name is Alan. The key to surviving in a frat is looking like you belong in one. In order to be a bro, you gotta look like a bro. This is the let's go to the beach, bro. This is the let's meet the parents, bro. This is the I have senioritis and I really don't want to go to school anymore, bro.
I've been in Frat Field for 44 years and I still love it, baby. I still love it.
Work, bro.
Huh.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Boys. Yeah. Holla. We them boys. Holla. We them boys. Holla. We making noise. Holla.
Where's Alan?
Where is he? Should I face him now?
What's up, Bruce?
Alan, where are you at, bro?
Dude, I have
You're in the bathroom? Well, dude, the assembly's about to start.
Wait, now?
Yeah, right now.
Oh shoot, dude, I'll be there soon.
Make sure you wash your hands, though. Alright, bye.
Okay, bye.
Alan's on his way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Come on. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Hey. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Yeah. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Hey. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Yeah, me coming live.